Hi, my name is Sarah Thomsen. I'm an R&D chef here at Home Chef. I went to culinary school and I've cooked in several restaurants. What's my favorite way to prepare potatoes? I love them mashed. I always say that my last supper meal would be mashed potatoes and roast chicken. If I could only cook with one type of noodle forever, I think it would be bucatini. My favorite springtime vegetable to prepare as a side dish is always asparagus. It's something that my grandparents have always grown. What's a great way to get a good sear on meat with a nonstick pan? Make sure your pan is very hot. Make sure you have enough oil. Make sure that you patted that meat dry just like we have in our instructions. There is a reason for it, and it will help your meat brown.
Coffee or tea?
Tea.
Appetizers or dessert?
Dessert always.
Eggs, scrambled or steamed up?
Scrambled with lots of butter.